Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Теперь я знаю. Страница 101, 102, 103. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Now I know. Page number 101, 102, 103. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 101. 101. British homes. Spotlight on the UK. Exercise number 1. Read and match. There is one extra picture. Прочитайте и подберите к тексту соответствующую картинку. Одна картинка лишняя. This is a cottage in the UK. Cottages are small but very pretty. Look at the garden. It's full of flowers. There are a lot of castles in the UK. This is Windsor Castle. It's one of Queen Elizabeth's homes. Look, it's very big. And now, boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 102. 102. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look and complete. Теперь я знаю. Словарь. Посмотрите и заполните. Number 1. Cupboard. Number 2. Glass. Number 3. Fridge. Number 4. Cooker. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look, read and choose. Посмотрите, прочитайте и выберите. The answer. There is a sofa in front of the window. There are 2 cats on the sofa. There are some books next to sofa. There are some glasses in the cupboard. There is a ball under the cupboard. There is a lamp behind the books. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 103. 103. Exercise number 3. Write the plurals. Поставьте во множественном числе. The answer. Number 1. Baby, babies. Number 2. Glass, glasses. Number 3. Shelf, shelves. Number 4. Box, boxes. Number 5. Dish, dishes. Number 6. Sandwich, sandwiches. Number 7. Body, bodies. Number 8. Family, families. My dear friends, do exercise number 4. Communication. Read and match. Общение. Прочитай и сопоставь. What's in the fridge? An apple. How many cookies are there? Only one. Where's Jan? In the bedroom. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. Read and write. Yes or no? Чтение и письмо. Прочитайте и напишите да или нет. Our house is very big. There's a living room, a kitchen, 3 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. Look, there's a blue bath in my bathroom. Our living room is yellow, and there are 2 mirrors and a big sofa in it. Look at all the trees in our garden. Our house is very nice. The answers. There are 2 kitchens. No. There are 4 bedrooms. Yes. The bath is blue. Yes. The living room is yellow. Yes. There is 1 mirror in the living room. No. And now we must do exercise. Now I can. Теперь я умею. Talk about things in my house. Talk about location. Write about my house, flat. My house. This is our house. It is very big. Our living room is beautiful. It is blue and green. My sister's bedroom is pink. It is not very nice. My bedroom is blue. It is very nice. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.